day of my surgery was actually scheduled for 10:30 in the morning, and I got up and took my daily routine of medicine and got dressed. My friend picked me up and drove me to the facility. I actually had my facelift done at the Sarasota Plastic Surgery Center upstairs. Um, the day when I got to the office, there is a side room, a door that you enter into. I went up into that, was greeted with the greatest group of nurses. They just really made you feel good. I was excited. As I said, I think the thing that really surprised me the most that morning, I wasn't afraid. I wasn't scared. I was ready to get the show on the road. I could not wait. Just Dr. Mobley had told me that my surgery would probably be about 5.5 hours. I got there, I was immediately taken into a room. The nurses came in, they made me feel great. They got me all nice and comfortable. And the hardest part of my whole surgery was the nurses trying to find my vein to put the IV in. I've always had that problem. That was the thing that I kind of worried about the most. Once that was done and over, it was time to get the show on the road. Dr. Mobley came in, and I sat on the side of the bed, and he takes this wonderful magic marker, which I asked him, I was hoping that it was going to be removable, that it wasn't permanent, and we had a good laugh on that. But he actually marked my face up, got very, very close and said, you know, I think I'm going to do some laser surgery on your neck as well. We had talked about doing it around my mouth to remove some of the wrinkles, but I said, whatever, you know, I'm in here for the long haul, get it done, get it over with, and let's, you know, get the show on the road. I went in promptly at 10:30, and I have to honestly say, I told Dr. Mobley in the beginning that he was going to have a lot to work with, and the 5.5 hour surgery probably wasn't going to be enough for this face. Sure enough, I proved myself right. It was 7.5 hours that I was under. But I also, you know, I think another thing to point out here too is I trusted the anesthesiologist, and these are doctors that have been vetted out by Dr. Mobley. Very professional, they're board certified. I think that's very, very important, and that also gave me a lot of comfort. After the surgery, I was in the recovery room, woke up to a large turban wrapped around my head, and a very nice nurse saying I could go home. And I got up and drove home. And I would suggest to anybody that has this, just be sure you bring a scarf so you can cover the turban, because I don't think anybody would want to see you at a stoplight. It might scare them. But anyway, I came home, and I had a very nice recliner chair that I slept in for the first couple of weeks per Dr. Mobley's instructions, and applied the ice packs on the face, and that was my day. That was my surgery day.